As an engineer working behind the scenes, I look at the world a little differently.
Our work is incredibly important. We design, develop, and test the materials that propel healthcare forward.
The unseen innovations that DuPont is working on are things that you've never even thought of or seen before.
If I got a cut on my skin, I would take out a bandage and not give a second thought about how or why it worked. The amount of science and engineering that has gone into developing the adhesive is pretty incredible. If you zoom in on your skin, it's a really rough surface. So you need to have an adhesive that can settle into all of those crooks and crevices. The person who's wearing this bandage is going to be moving around. They're sweating. There are oils being produced. That presents a pretty intense challenge. You need to have surfaces in really close proximity that like one another. It's like a magnet on a fridge. You're getting that magnet as close as it needs to get for that magnetic force to take over, and that's where you get that stick.
This might just seem like a piece of plastic, but to me, I see polymer chains. A lot of the testing that I do is for lifetime prediction. We look at the design of the part and subject it to different loading cases, so other scientists and engineers can be confident that it will perform for the full life cycle of that product. So for example, an inhaler is a life-saving device. I've tried to simulate a lifetime of daily wear and tear, and when you press the button, you know that it provides the same metered dose of medication every time.
Really what gets me out of bed every day is the idea that something that I make in the lab might one day turn into a product that can make someone's life just a little bit better.
The unseen innovations that I'm working on are just one of the ways that DuPont is inventing a better nap.